Hi everyone, and you are welcome to this lecture, Assignment Operators. In this lecture, I'm going to define what assignment operators are, and as you will see, we have a lot of these operators like assign, addition and assign, subtraction and assign, multiplication and assign, division, modulus, exponentiation, floor division, and or, XOR, right shift, left shift, and assign. And as usual, I'm going to end this lecture by a quick summary. So let's get started. So, what are assignment operators? Assignment operators are used to update and assign values to variables. As you will see later, that each one of these operators does two main jobs. The first one, it updates the value some way, then it will assign this value again to the same variable. To understand how these operators works, let's see first these operators details. Each one of these operators takes two operands. The operand's data type should be numbers, and the result after operator execution is also another number. Now let's see some real example to understand how these operators work. First of all, I'm going to define a variable, its name C, and I will say C equal to 5. From our previous lectures, we already see that we use equal sign to assign value into a variable. Now, what will happen if I say C plus equal 5 and then print C? Run. As you see here, I get 10. Why 10? Because you can imagine that this expression is equivalent exactly to say C equal to C plus 5, which means C after update the value, it's equal to the old C plus 5. The original value of C is 5. If I add 5 to 5, I will get 10. And if I run this code, I will get another 10. Let's see another example. Let me assume C equal to 5. And here I will say C minus equal 2. And this is equivalent to say C equal to C minus 2. Run. I will get 3. Why 3? Because 5 minus 2 is a 3. And the result is assigned again to the variable C. I'm not going to explain how each one of these operators work because you already have seen these operators in previous lectures and they work in the same way exactly. But what you have to know in this lecture that when I use this operator with equal sign, what I mean that I want to update the value and then I want to assign this value again to the same variable. So if I put minus here, it's equivalent to put minus here. If I put, for example, asterisk here, it's equivalent to put asterisk here, and so on for each one of the arithmetic operators and the bitwise operators. Now let's summarize what we have learned in this lecture. Assignment operators are used to update and assign values to variables. As you see that each one of these operators take exactly two operands and the operand's data type are numbers, and after we execute this operator we get another number and this number is assigned again to the same variable. Please refer to the file Assignment Operators Appendix, in which you will find these operators have been summarized. Also, please refer to the file Assignment Operators Challenges, in which you will find some challenges to practice what you have learned. Thank you very much for your time, and if you are available, join me in the next lecture.